welcome to a wonderful day. You know, Christmas is always a fun time of the year, and right now, I feel like I'm embedded in Christmas. I just got a call saying that my new rod has arrived at my shop. So I'm gonna go get my sled, get my new sled, check it out, uncrate it, unbag it, and just maybe, I'm gonna go take it for a little rip. All right, let's get to it. I love this place. So you saw how we get the sled, we uncrate it, unbag it, you put it together. Pretty simple, you know, bumper, snow flap, skis, windshield, pretty simple build. And then you check the fluids, make sure they're all topped off. You know, this one, it went together exceptionally well because I had the assistance of my little buddy. Later, I'll be putting on, you know, my shocks, hand guards, stud in the track, different things like that. But right now, I'm on the path of least resistance to getting this thing out on the snow because I need a little 850 experience. So I got to try that thing out. So let's take that thing out and go ripping. We're talking 850. Yeah. Man, thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned. We got a lot more fun on these 850s. Make sure you like, subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time.